Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode Plus keeps disconnecting Wi-Fi slash offline fix. When your Schlage Encode Plus keeps disconnected from Wi-Fi, it usually points to a weak 2.4 GHz signal, battery connection instability, or router settings. So follow these steps in order to quickly restore a stable connection. Fix 1. Perform a soft reset. First, retract the door bolt, then remove the interior battery cover and slide the battery tray out. And leave the tray disconnected for at least 10 to 60 seconds. After 10 to 60 seconds, reinsert the battery pack, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Fix 2. Refresh network settings. Open the Schlage app. In it, go to Log Settings and select Wi-Fi settings. Then tap Select Different Networks. From there, choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and re-enter your password. Ensure your password is 24 characters or less and does not contain any unsupported special characters like $sign or and. Fix 3. Check Wi-Fi band and router settings. The Encode Plus operates only on 2.4 GHz network. If you have a combined 2.4/5 GHz network, temporarily disable the 5 GHz band in your router settings to complete the setup. Then power cycle your Wi-Fi router to clear IP conflicts. Fix 4. Inspect the battery pack. Ensure you are using high-quality non-rechargeable alkaline or lithium batteries, for example, Duracell or Energizer. But if your battery pack is visibly wobbling inside the housing, place a small piece of cardboard at the top side of the pack as a shim to hold it firmly in place. Fix 5. Factory reset the lock. Press and hold the black reset button, which is located to the right of the interior thumb turn, until the LED flashes red. Then turn solid blue. Next, go to the Schlage Support Center for a step-by-step walkthrough to re-add the lock to your account. Fix 6. Consider a Wi-Fi extender. Smart locks require a consistently strong signal. If your router is far away, the lock will continually drop. So consider placing a Wi-Fi extender or mesh node closer to the front door. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.